remember the old grandfather clocks? Right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Amazing it chimes.
I love it. Quint,
Hey,
King,
good to
thank
be
you
here.
for being here. Paul here, Music Villa, Bozeman, Montana. And this is an incredible guitar. We just got this in, new from Martin this year. Okay, they've made this series, you know, the little 0017s. And so this, and I think those are going away, by the way. I think those are off the price list now. Now they've come out with this one, the DSS-17, okay, Dread D, SS, Slope-Shoulder. And then 17, which is Mahogany back inside, Spruce top. And this one's called Black Smoke Burst, I think.
Burst.
Or
I'm just
black,
going to look inside real quick.
Or no, what is it? Let's see, there's black and then Whiskey Sunset Burst. Yeah, there's two different colors. And this thing sounds amazing.
It does. It's got some bottom in there. But it really rings true up on top.
Light, too. It's very lightweight.
It resonates. It
Yeah.
does. You know, we've talked about this before. Usually, when I pick up a light guitar,
You know it's going to resonate.
it just feels like there's a lot of it. You know, it doesn't have a lot of mass to move around, I guess. So
Yeah.
it just feels like it wants to be more responsive.
Yeah.
In this case, definitely, you know, with the Slope-Shoulder Dreadnought shape, it's giving a lot of depth.
Relic tuners on it.
Mhm.
Those are very cool. It comes with the Monel strings. They're I don't even know how to explain them. It's a different material, but it's a different metal. They look like electric guitar strings, but it's called a Monel, and it's they're I don't know. I call them like really flat. They seem to have like a really neutral
Yeah,
sound.
and it's not a flat wound string. I can
No.
feel that. I mean, it's definitely raised, but it's not. I don't know. It doesn't have the over brightness that you can get
Right.
sometimes from.
It's almost like they're played in a little bit. Like they sound like they're already like you've played the guitar for a while. It's
Like
not
they're
like
broken in a little bit,
yeah.
yeah. But without all the crud and the strings
Yeah,
from your
exactly.
fingers. So,
Exactly.
it's like
Well, this is cool.
so
I like it.
playability. Let me just say that I always love flat finishes, and so
Yep.
maybe it's harder to see. I don't know if it comes out very well, but this feels like a very flat finish.
Yep.
And so a slide, it's you can feel the grain of the wood in the back of the neck. It's just a very comfortable guitar to play. But at the end of the day, it's the sound, and this thing's a beast. It's got a lot of depth, a lot of volume. Trying to keep it rated in and switch my pick position up so you can hear some of the smoothness of it. It's just this thing.
I love it.
Here's another thing I'm going to say.
Okay.
I'm on the record as not being like a big aesthetic guy, but I will confess the one thing I've...
Did you say aesthetic?
Aesthetic.
Okay.
Yeah, so,
Yeah.
like I don't care that much about how a guitar
Right.
looks as long as it plays and sounds well, typically. That's me, but one of the things I've always been reluctant to really explore are guitars that are all in solid color.
Yep.
But this is a guitar that would make me change my mind if I had a real traditional aesthetic and I always wanted to see like natural woods or something on the guitar. You play this and you're like,
Yeah.
well, that doesn't matter because it just sounds so good.
I agree. Since this came in the store, every guy that works here was like, wow, I
Yeah.
love this. Everyone that's picked this up today, I imagine it's not going to last too long here, and we better order another one. So.
Yeah, well, so my, again, recommendation is if you're out there watching, come down to Music Villa, pick it up, play it, if it's still here, or wait for the next one to come in.
Yeah.
Or go to, your local music store, see if you can get this, the DSS-17.
DSS-17
Give it a
from
shot.
Martin.
Give it a try, because it's like butter.
Yeah, cool. All right. Thanks, Quinn.
You bet.
Let's move on, and we'll do some more. I know you got to get back to work, and we'll do it again. Thanks for watching. Thanks, everybody.
Yeah.
Take care.